Hey guys, so I have been given a great opportunity to unbox the iPhone 13 mini in black. So let's just get right into it, shall we? Again, just like the 13 Pro Max that I unboxed last time, small box, small packaging, even smaller in total dimension because it is the mini. So let's take a look at it, shall we? And there we have the little bit of dust in it. All right. Okay. No big deal. No biggie. So that's how the black one looks. And let's take it out. Of course, got the same little cover right here. Again, no charging brick. So all we have is the USB-C to Lightning cable, and then the paperwork. Let's see if we got the same paperwork. Okay. So we got the same SIM card tool, SIM card ejection tool. That is one sticker and paperwork. So that is pretty much it for the unboxing. I mean, that's all we got. Let's go ahead and neatly put that back in. Let's go ahead and I don't know if we can. Oh, right. So before that, I have my 12 mini compared to the 13 mini. Um, in terms of overall dimension, I believe it is a tad bit thick, maybe a millimeter thicker is what I believe it is in terms of difference. If I could show that, let's see. Okay, this is kind of hard to, yeah, because I'm not even holding it like flat against each other, but it is supposed to be, I believe, a millimeter thicker. It's slightly thicker. Other dimensions is all the same 5.4-inch screen. We'll go ahead and compare it to the 13 Pro Max that I have. So here's how it looks. Here is the screen size difference. As you guys can see, I am again, hello, recording on the S21 Ultra, which is the other phone that I am using. And here is the back, so you can see, or maybe you can't, it's kind of hard because, all right, there we go. The camera module, the size is very, very different. 13 Pro Max, a significant amount bigger than the 13 mini. It's hard to see, but yeah. Right, now let's go ahead and do the peel. All right, there we have it. That was a peel. So, ooh, that feels nice. Alrighty, we are just gonna put everything in as if nothing ever happened, and put that off to the side. So, thing I forgot to mention in my 13 Pro Max video, unboxing video that is, the notch is a lot smaller. Now, this phone is off, obviously, but hard to show it, especially when you can see the glare, but let's see. So, can you guys see the notch? I know it's kind of hard to see, but the notch right there compared to the notch on the 12 mini. Again, very hard to see, but yes. So, notch is smaller, otherwise same 5.4-inch screen, same dimensions for the most part, other than the thickness, which is slightly thicker compared to the prior generation's 12 mini. And I mean, obviously it's hard to tell just based off of that, but one, I guess, very different characteristics tell each other apart other than the smaller notch is the camera placement. So again, maybe you might not be able to see that one well, but this one has top bottom. This one is aligned at a 45-degree angle, so between the main camera and the wide. I actually don't know which one is the main and which one's the wide, but one of these, they are not aligned top to bottom. They're aligned at a 45-degree angle compared to the top to bottom camera array in the 12 mini. And that's about it. Yep, everything else is where it should be. So SIM card slot still in the same place, still got the volume buttons in the same place, the switch in the same place, got the power button in the same place. Yeah, the design is pretty much the same. Alrighty, well, that's all I got for the unboxing for the 13 mini in black. I guess I can show you guys a comparison between the 13 Pro Max in graphite with the 13 mini in black. So there is clearly a difference in color. So the 13 Pro Max isn't a full-on black, whereas the 13 mini is. This is more of like a, similar to their space gray. So this is more of a space gray than it is towards the black. I don't know if color is a big deciding factor for people, but if it is, and you like black over something like space gray, like you absolutely must have just black over something that's kind of like a, I guess, a washed out black, then iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 is what you're gonna have to go for, because graphite's all they got for 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, which also means you won't get the bigger screen of the 13 Pro Max, which again, if color is your main deciding factor, then, well, I guess that's a sacrifice you're willing to make. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Not sure if I will do a review video of the 13 mini, but just talking about the mini, again, I used the 12 mini for a good while, over a year now, and I loved it. I absolutely love the thing. Honestly, I'm sad to see the mini go. However, I know they are trying to maybe put in the new upcoming iPhone SE3 as an alternative for people who want smaller phones. But, it's just not going to be the same as the mini. Yeah. I mean, we'll have to see. Who knows? Maybe they'll blow all our minds because, rumors coming out, they might just go beyond our expectations with the rumors and deliver something even more. But anyways, it was nice having you around, Mini, while you lasted for 2 iterations. I really hope they bring it back. I know there were a lot of, constraints with it, battery life being one, and just the sales numbers. But anyways, I guess this is it for now for the Mini. If you guys like the video, please give me a like. I don't know why I said that, because I haven't said that in a while. But yeah, and I'd very much appreciate if you guys subscribe too. If you enjoy my content, that is. If you don't, then just hit next. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!